Did you know that eating just one serving of papaya can provide more than twice the daily recommended amount of vitamin C, outshining even the famous orange? When it comes to superfoods, most people think of exotic berries, leafy greens, or maybe even avocados. But there's a tropical fruit quietly sitting in your grocery store that packs a powerful nutritional punch, the papaya. Today, let's uncover why papaya deserves a spot in your diet and how this underappreciated superfood can transform your health in ways you might never have expected. Superfoods are often surrounded by a kind of mystique. We hear about acai, goji berries, or kale, and imagine them as rare and expensive health elixirs. But in this quest for the next big thing, we often overlook fruits that are not only accessible, but also incredibly nutrient-dense. Papaya is one of these hidden gems. It's sweet, vibrant, and delicious. But more importantly, it's loaded with health benefits that can compete with, or even surpass, its more popular superfood counterparts. Let's break down what makes papaya a nutritional powerhouse. First, papayas are rich in vitamin C. One medium papaya contains more than 200% of your daily requirement. This means it's fantastic for boosting your immune system, helping your body fight off illness, and keeping your skin glowing. But vitamin C is just the beginning. Papayas are also an excellent source of vitamin A, which is vital for eye health and maintaining a strong immune response. In addition, this fruit contains significant amounts of folate, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are crucial for heart health, digestion, and cellular function. One of the most fascinating aspects of papaya is its unique enzyme called papain. Papain is a natural digestive aid that helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients from the foods you eat. For centuries, people in tropical countries have used papaya as a remedy for digestive issues, and modern science backs this up. If you often experience bloating or indigestion, adding papaya to your diet could provide gentle, natural relief. But papaya's benefits don't stop there. This fruit is bursting with antioxidants, including carotenoids like beta-carotene and lycopene. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In fact, studies have shown that the antioxidants in papaya are more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them more easily than those in other fruits and vegetables. Maybe you're thinking, that all sounds great, but how do I actually eat papaya? Nee. The good news is that papaya is one of the most versatile fruits out there. You can slice it and eat it fresh with a squeeze of lime, blend it into smoothies, toss it into fruit salads, or even add it to savory dishes like salsas and curries for a tropical twist. Papaya seeds, often discarded, are also edible. They have a peppery flavor and can be sprinkled on salads or blended into dressings for an extra nutrient boost. Let's take a closer look at how papaya can make a real difference in people's lives. Consider a study published in the journal Neuroendocrinology Letters, which found that fermented papaya preparation significantly reduced oxidative stress in elderly individuals, improving their overall quality of life. This is particularly striking because it highlights papaya's potential not just as a tasty snack, but as a genuine tool for supporting health as we age. Beyond studies, there are countless testimonials from people who have incorporated papaya into their routines and noticed improvements in digestion, skin clarity, and energy levels. To recap, papaya isn't just a sweet, tropical treat. It's a true superfood that deserves more attention. It's loaded with immune-boosting vitamin C, eye-protecting vitamin A, digestion-enhancing enzymes, and disease-fighting antioxidants. It supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and keeps your skin radiant, all while being easy to add to your daily meals. And unlike some trendy superfoods, papaya is widely available and affordable, making it an accessible option for almost everyone. So next time you're in the produce aisle, don't pass by the papaya. This humble fruit just might be the missing ingredient in your wellness journey. Give it a try, experiment with new recipes, and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this information helpful and want to discover more hidden superfoods and health tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your journey to better health could start with something as simple and delicious as a slice of a papaya.